Hi, I'm Martin from RaiseNow, and today I'm going to show you the TWINT button and how to use it. If you want to place a button inside of an email or on your website, and the button shall say you can pay here or donate here with TWINT, then the TWINT button is exactly what you need. Here you see an example that I prepared. It's an email where you see the TWINT button and it shows the TWINT logo, and also it has the word TWINT, so whoever looks at this email knows right away, here I can pay with TWINT. So it makes it very easy, and it's like a standardized way to show that their TWINT payments are possible. So how do you get a button like this inside of an email? First, you go to your RaiseNow Hub account and log in. And once you're logged in, you go to Touchpoint Solutions. Then you go to the solution that you would like to have a TWINT button for. And in this case, I'm going to one that I prepared here. It's a fundraising campaign for new jerseys for a soccer club, for example, and then you just say details. What you're going to see now is what you already know. Okay, so you're here in the promote section and you see the QR code. You see here the option to download the QR codes. You see here the pay link section, and here you see something new, and this is the TWINT button for your website or emails. This is where you find it. You click on show options and you see the button here already. Now you can adjust the button a bit to what you need. So you can say I want it a bit smaller or medium. You can also say I want it full width in my email or on my website page. Let's in this case stick to fixed. You can also change the color to light in case of, like, if you have a website that is really dark, maybe you have a black background, and you can make it light, and you can choose the language. So you have 4 languages to choose from. Let's say you want Italian, then you see it changes instantly here right in the button. But in this case, let's stick to English. Okay, I want it dark, I think medium is good, and the fixed width is fine for what we want to show here. Then if you scroll down a bit, you see this section here with some code, and you see website or HTML email. In this case, we want to place the button inside of an HTML email. So I click here, then you see some code here. You don't have to worry about the code. Just click here on the copy button and it copies the code, and you can take it to another program. In this case, you go to your email program. In my case, it's HubSpot. So let's go to HubSpot here. I already prepared this email a bit, and I want to place the button somewhere inside of this email. In HubSpot, you can add like an HTML module. Let me do this, and I just drag it over here. And then on the left-hand side here, you see an editor, and right here, I click Command and V because the code is already kind of saved on my computer, so I can just copy it inside here, and you see that the button appears in my email. It's very easy. It's the same with, I guess, almost all those email editors. Doesn't matter if it's MailChimp or if it's HubSpot. You just go to the HTML section, find the right location for the button, and then you just copy that code snippet over from your RaiseNow Hub account. And then when you send this email, it looks like this, what I showed you in the beginning. So you have this beautiful button right here inside of your email. The same thing you can also do with your website. Let's say you want this button on your website, on a certain website page. You can also just go to the backend of your website. Let's say it's WordPress. You just go to your WordPress backend, go to the HTML section where you can like edit the code, find the right location there, and just paste that code snippet over. But don't forget, in this case, you need the website code snippet. It's slightly different. So first, just switch to website, and then just click this copy button and just take the code and put it in the backend of your website. This is all. It's pretty easy. Just give it a try, and we wish you a lot of success with the TWINT button. That's it for today. See you soon.